The Larson Electronics fuse disconnect switch is designed for reliable, safe, and convenient power distribution at industrial work sites. Designed for wall mounting applications, this disconnect switch is protected by three 800 amp Class J time delay fuses and a NEMA 3R rated steel enclosure with a ventilated design. Fast-acting fuses are tripped immediately upon sensing overcurrent or short circuit. Fast-acting fuses are tripped immediately upon sensing an overcurrent or short circuit in the line. A ventilated design promotes natural cooling and improves performance. The enclosure is NEMA 3R rated for protection against water, moisture, and debris. This rating allows the fused disconnect to be used in indoor and outdoor areas. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.